Hello guys, for today's video maglalaro tayo ng dress up. So, I have invited money. Tignan nyo sa taas. O diba? So, etong ganda nitong gifts na to. Wow! May lalabas. Ayan, may lalabas. Ayun. Do you have money? Yes. Kasi inputin ko naman ka. O diba guys, invitin yung money ko. Okay guys, bye.
Sika natin sila doon. What?